Let's unbox the sand with my best friend. Okay, let's open
do
it.
it.
I love the feeling. I got it.
Let's do it. Oh my god.
It got a shape. Okay, finally. Look, it will go in shape. And it feels good too. Oh my god. We can make it squishy with it, but we don't have balloon.
Balloon.
өдөр ярьсан шүү дээ нэрээ.
Ow! I'm a turtle.
Одоо би заснаа ойр нохот гарч байна гэсэн.
Turtle's shell is very
Яг юм хом хийнэ гинэ. Тэгэхээр цагаагаар гайгүй ах юм байлээ гинэ. Манай цахааны юм хийх юм гинэ. Тэгэхээр одоо нэг зам мам байна.
би хаагаадсан байна.
Юугаа задаач ч юм уу загнаач ч юм уу яа. Усад юм ингэж мөр яагаад ч таа.
It feels good. We were about to get a dumpling, but there was no dumpling left. But instead we got this sand.
Yeah, we can make plushies with this. Like a dumpling.
Squishy? You meant squishy?
Plushie? Oh my god.
You meant squishy, right?
Yeah. What stupid person made
Plushie out of this. Stay was away.
Манай 330 4 бахар. Okay, that's all. Bye.